Welcome to DJMT.
My people, greet una, welcome una once again to DJMTV. My people, yesterday date was February 25th, making 1 year wey be say all Nigerians come outside, both in diaspora and in Nigeria, as people dey abroad, some come house come vote for person wey dem feel say go fit take Nigeria go forwards. Una know the way we say the whole election thing happen, results come outside, so they come drag body enter court. Since yesterday, one man dey trend like this. So the president have been a chairman of INEC has been trending. They drag am left and center, say that cause the one wey be say Nigeria dey. So unto the high cost of people wey make people dey power, like say not be small thing, my people. The presidential candidate of Labour Party, they call PeterObi, instead of the trend o. Just in case una don't forget wetin happen last year after the election, after INEC declared the winner, the youth no accept am. They be don ready to come outside to rebuke the result wey be say INEC give them, because they talk say no be wetin they order, no be INEC give them. They say no be wetin they order, no be INEC deliver. So the presidential candidate of Labour Party come calm the youth down, say make dem no worry, say they carry this matter of who win and who no win go court, which they really carry the matter go court. This PeterObi, with the presidential candidate of Labour Party, na him make youth not take am by force, just the way they wanted do am that time. By people, the same PeterObi don come outside again, don begin dey write dey talk, say the youth are ready to take what belongs to them. People, we no know where PeterObi dey carry Nigeria youth dey go for this one o. Na this high cost of living come dey make am dey. Anyway, make I read wetin he say, wetin he talk. According to wetin he talk for here, so he say Nigeria youths can't wait to take charge from leaders who exploit position for personal gain. How? The ones wey you say make dem calm down, say you go collect your mandate, your stolen mandate as you call am that time, from court. Now those ones you dey say they wan take charge for wetin belong to them. Abeg, where PeterObi dey take Nigeria youths dey go for this one? To take charge? How? When these people were ready to take charge, you say make dem calm down, say you go take your stolen mandate from court, you go get everything back for court. These people calm down. Now when they don't eat, food don't dey their belly, and now you want come dey push them with style, say make dem go take mandates or make dem go take charge. Person wey never shop, person wey never when heat wan finish, person wey never see what better water drink, person wey never see transport take go work. Now you say make come outside go take charge. My people, how una see this matter? Hey. This one shock oh, this one shock, not be small. Nigerian youths, more than wise up for this matter, more than wise up. Nigerian youths, more than not lose guard for this one oh. Make una no lose guard, make una wise up as the odds. Anyway, my people, and the updates we carry come from una like this video. So how una see am? Make una drop comment too, and make una don't forget to like and share. So Nigerian youth, when they never hear this one, make they hear, make them know. And make una also not forget to follow us for our social media handle DJMTV. Una do it. See you in our next video.
DJMTV. DJ